Amazon FBA is a powerful tool for scaling your e-commerce business, and setting up your seller account correctly is the first crucial step to harnessing its full potential today. We're diving deep into how to properly configure your Amazon Seller Central account for optimal FBA performance, ensuring your inventory, orders, and customer service run like a well-oiled machine. First things first, log into your Amazon Seller Central account and navigate to the Settings section by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Within Account Settings, we'll focus on a few key areas. Start with Account Info here. You'll verify your business information, payment methods, and deposit information. Accuracy here is paramount for receiving those payouts smoothly. Next, move to Shipping Settings. While FBA handles the heavy lifting, review these to ensure they align with any marketplace selling you might be doing outside of FBA. For FBA, the critical part is ensuring your fulfillment is set to Amazon's FBA facilities. Now, let's get into the heart of FBA setup. Navigate to Fulfillment by Amazon Settings here. You'll manage how your inventory is prepared and shipped to Amazon's fulfillment centers. This is where you'll define your preferences for labeling and packaging. Don't overlook notification preferences. This is essential for staying informed. Customize alerts for inventory levels, order status changes, customer messages, and any policy updates from Amazon. Staying on top of these will prevent issues and keep you proactive. For a more professional seller presence, go back to your seller profile and upload your brand logo and review your selling name. This builds trust with your customers. Finally, ensure your product listings are correctly configured for FBA when creating or editing a listing. Select Fulfillment by Amazon as your shipping option. This tells Amazon where to send your inventory and how to fulfill orders. By meticulously setting up these preferences, you're building a solid foundation for a successful and stress-free FBA selling experience, allowing you to focus on growing your business rather than getting bogged down in operational details.